In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Format Painter in a document editing software to easily replicate text formatting across your documents. This nifty tool can save you a lot of time and effort when working on documents that require consistent styling throughout. Imagine you're working on a document and you've just perfected the look and feel of a particular section. Now, you want to apply the same formatting to other parts without having to manually adjust every single attribute. This is where Format Painter comes to your rescue. First, you need to select the text that already has the formatting you want to replicate. This could be anything from the font type and size to the color, or even specific styling such as bold or italic. Carefully highlight this text, as every aspect of its formatting will be copied. Keep in mind that what you select here is the template for the formatting you'll be applying elsewhere. Next, you'll want to activate the Format Painter tool. Start by heading to the Home tab on your toolbar. Here, you'll find the Format Painter icon, which looks like a small paintbrush. Clicking this icon is the key to switching on the Format Painter mode. Now, you have two choices. If you click the icon just once, you can transfer the formatting to one other text selection. However, if you need to format multiple sections, simply double-click the icon. This way, the Format Painter remains active, allowing you to apply the desired formatting to as many different sections as you need. Once you've activated the tool, it's time to select the text that requires the new formatting. Simply highlight the text you want to apply this formatting to, and as soon as you do this, you'll see the previously selected formatting pop right onto the highlighted text. It's almost like magic. The time and effort you save with this tool cannot be overstated. It ensures that your document doesn't just look well organized, but also maintains a consistent and professional appearance throughout. Finally, once all necessary formatting has been applied, it's important to deactivate the Format Painter. If you single-clicked the icon initially, the tool will automatically turn off after applying the formatting to one selection. However, when you chose to double-click for multiple uses, you'll need to manually deactivate the Format Painter. This is simply done by pressing the ESC key on your keyboard. It's always good to remember this step to avoid any unwanted formatting changes as you continue to edit your document. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly and efficiently apply consistent formatting throughout your document, ensuring a polished and professional look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in your future projects.